The police are again appealing for residents to reach out and help couples in problem relationships. The call comes after a suspected case of murder-suicide in Rollington Town, St. Andrew this morning. TVJ Shamela Pullen reports.
Family, friends and onlookers gathered at 35 Portland Road, Rollington Town, Kingston Thursday morning. The area was a scene of a murder-suicide. According to reports, between 5 and 6 this morning, the body of 41-year-old Anika Walker Higler and that of her boyfriend Paul Riley, who is said to be in his early 30s, were found at their home. Miss Walker's body had stab wounds to the neck, while Mr. Riley's body was found hanging inside a washroom.
I can't believe that somebody would just kill her like that. The father, a while ago, I have to be comforting him. And the mother is, I don't know how they're going to keep up. Because that girl, oh God, she's so much, it's hard.
Residents reported that the couple was having problems in their relationship. They say Miss Walker asked Mr. Riley to leave the house, but he refused.
She's a good girl. She's loving, caring, always willing to assist with anything. Yeah, at Christmas time, it's only this Christmas I don't ask her to buy sheets for me. She buy my sheets, my curtain, my son's clothes. My kids go to university. She lend them her pots, her plates. She's so good. Everybody, she just don't do it for my kids. You do it for everybody.
Meanwhile, head of Kingston East Police, Superintendent Victor Hamilton, is calling on community members to get help for persons they see showing signs of domestic violence.
In the neighbor business, especially when they know that things aren't going right, and they must be more strident and aggressive in getting counseling for people, and simply getting people to separate, if even temporarily, until them sort out the issues. Because now 2 people have died, domestic issues, quarrels, and so we can do that, and we continue to do that to empower persons to speak up, and when people get warning, they should take warning.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.